साध्वी भगवती सरस्वती जी, seers, acharyas, friends, I'm happy to join you today through video conferencing at the annual International Yoga Festival. Before I begin, I would like to share with you some recent remarkable achievements of our scientists in India. Last month, our space scientists created a unique record. They sent 104 satellites into space through a single rocket launch. 101 of these satellites were owned by countries such as USA, Israel, Switzerland, Netherlands, Kazakhstan, and UAE. Our defense scientists too have made India proud. On 11 February, they successfully tested a high-altitude ballistic missile shield which can provide effective security cover to our cities against missile attacks. One special thing which I would like to mention today, yesterday they added another feather in their cap while successfully testing a low altitude interceptor missile. This is a capability that only 4 other nations currently possess. Congratulate our space and defense scientists for their achievements. हमारे अंतरिक्ष और रक्षा वैज्ञानिकों की उपलब्धियों ने भारत की प्रतिष्ठा को पूरे विश्व में ऊंचा किया है। Ladies and gentlemen, we in India believe in researching both the frontiers of science and technology and also researching deep within our souls, that is both science and yoga. Perhaps there can be no better place than Rishikesh to host the International Yoga Festival. This indeed is a place that has drawn sages, pilgrims, commoners, and celebrities alike over millennia in quest for peace and for the true essence of yoga. As I observe the large and diverse gathering from different parts of the globe at the bank of the holy river Ganga in Rishikesh, my thoughts turn to Max Muller, the great German scholar, who said, and I quote, "If I were asked Under what sky the human mind has most fully developed? Some of its choicest gifts has most deeply pondered on the greatest problem of life and has found solutions. I should point to India. From Max Miller to many of you present in Rishikesh today, all immensely successful people in their own right, whenever the quest to know one's real self has beckoned, that destination has been India. And in most cases, that quest had led them to yoga. Yoga is a code to connect people with life and to reconnect mankind with nature. It expands our limited sense of self to see our families, societies, and mankind as extension of our own self. That is why Swami Vivekananda said, expansion is life, contraction is death. By practicing yoga, a spirit of oneness is created, oneness of the mind, body, and the intellect. Oneness with our families, with our society we live in, with fellow humans, with all the birds, animals, and trees with whom we share our beautiful planet. This is yoga. Yoga is the journey from me